So in this video, we're going to learn how to transfer files that's from PC to our iPhone and also from the iPhone to the PC. Hi guys, so in this video we are going to know how to transfer any type of file from your PC to that's your Windows PC to any iPhone you're having. And with this one, you wouldn't need any cable. All you need is a hotspot from the iPhone that you want to receive the files from and your PC. So as we see here, all you need to do is as you are seeing on my phone, I'm connected to personal hotspot, and on your PC too, you see that I'm connected to the network that's Stooro, that's my iPhone network out here. So from there, we'll now have to use Google Chrome. So I click on the Google Chrome, and on our phone too, we'll be using the VLC app. So if you don't have the VLC, just go to the App Store and just install VLC media player, and we'll open the VLC on our side here right now. So a moment, the VLC is now opened, and now all you have to do is tap on network on your mobile phone, and you see if this sharing via Wi-Fi is not so good, just click on it and to give you some HTTP links out there. So on our PC right now, on the search bar, you see now all we have to do is type the code that they've given us. So if you like, you can type the HTTP. If you don't want to, you can also just type in the numbers. Type in 172.20.10.1 and click on enter. So here we have the VLC sharing via Wi-Fi open right now. So what you are going to do now is you can minimize the window out here, or you can choose to open your File Explorer window and just drag and drop them into this part. But the simple way, we are having the files on our desktop right now. So this is a terminal, which is a PNG file that will be transferring to our iPhone right now. So I'll click on it. Now it's selected. I'll drag and drop it into this. So you see there is some yellow line marked. I'll just release it, and now 100%, which means it's transferred to our iPhone now. We also have a MP3 file, some song that we are having here. We'll also click and drag, then I will drop it. That one is also complete. So now everything has been transferred successfully. So let's check on our phone now if we've received the file successfully. So on our mobile phone, we go to files, then from files, you see we have VLC folder here. So here is the first terminal that we transported from the PC. So let's click and open on it. If you want this picture to be part of your gallery, all you have to do is just click on this button right here, which is the share button, and you see save image. Yes, but we are not going to do that right now. And also here is the song that we transferred. So we are going to use the VLC to play the song. So if you guys are hearing the song, yes. So guys, with this one, it's very easy and convenient. You wouldn't have to stress out in transferring your files from Windows PC to any iPhone that you have. So now we are coming to know how to use the ES File Explorer to transfer files from your iPhone to your PC, which is your Windows PC, or from your Windows PC to your iPhone. So here we have the ES File Explorer. If you don't have the ES File Explorer, just head over to the App Store, and as you see on my phone, just type ES File Explorer. Go. When you are done downloading your ES File Explorer, just have to make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So as you see my phone here, I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi network, as well as same on my PC too. So you see Galaxy A12 on my phone too. and then now we'll have to launch our ES File Explorer on our iPhone and also launch our web browser, which in this case I'm using the Google Chrome. So now what we are going to do is head over to Tools, then Wi-Fi transfer. So here we are going to input the HTTP link, and as I always say, you can choose to type in the HTTP or you can just choose to type in the numbers. And whilst you're doing that, I'm trying to make you aware that doing all this, you don't have to have an active data bundle. Everything you'll be doing would be a free transfer and you wouldn't have to have any active data bundle. Yes, so now you see it has been launched. So here we can create a folder or we can just do the drag and drop as we always normally do. So here I'm having some video over here. Let me launch the video. Yes, so now you see it's a video. I'll just click on it, then drag and drop. So you see it's completed. Then we also have an image here. I'll also open the image so you see, so it will take a moment for it to open. Yes, so the image is now opened. Now you see we have an image to transfer, so I'll click drag and drop and boom, we are done. So now you see the file has been transferred now. So now let's head over to the ES Explorer and we can just click on leave. Now let's go to my files, and here you see the picture right here, and also let me play the video. Yes, so this is how to transfer your file from PC to your iPhone, any iPhone that you're having, using ES File Explorer. Okay, now let's see how to also transfer from your iPhone to your Windows PC using the ES File Explorer. So here, let me open one image I'm having on my photos. I'll just have to click on the share button. Then from the share button, I'll just have to click on save to ES File Explorer. So save to ES File Explorer, then I'll just choose files, then I'll save it successfully. So now let's head over to ES File Explorer. Then you see the image here. So this is the image I saved to ES File Explorer, and all I have to do now is just refresh my browser and the image will probably appear there. So first of all, let's head over to Tools, Wi-Fi transfer, then the code that I typed there. So now you see we are having the image right here. So all I have to do is click on download and choose where to save my file. So let me save it at desktop and just click on save, and here you see it's been downloaded now. So now let's head over to desktop, and here is the image. So as you see, this is the image that was downloaded. Let me click on it. Then here we have our image right here. So that's it. And here some guys will also say, what if I have an mp3 file or any other file that I want to transfer to my PC? So here I'm having some audio here. Let's listen to the audio. Wow. Yes, so you see this an audio which is an mp3 file. So here I'll still click on the share button, then save to ES File Explorer, and here save to choose the folder, click on save. Yes, so now let's head over to ES File Explorer. Then you see when you click on my files, here is the audio file. That's so crazy. Yes. Wow. So once again, we head to Tools, Wi-Fi transfer, then make sure you refresh the page right here, and here's the mp3 file. Click on download, then as well you always choose where you want to save it. So let's choose desktop, click on save. The file will be downloaded, and as I always say, it will be downloaded for free, no need for any active data bundle. So now let's play the audio file. Wow, that's so crazy. So here's it for today, guys. So far so good. ES File Explorer is the best one to transfer files from your iPhone to your Windows PC, and also from your Windows PC to your iPhone. That's it for today. So thank you guys for watching. Watch out for more amazing videos, tips and tricks. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share our channel.